welcome to my channel. So a lot of you were asking me about how I answered my evaluation questions for those of you doing Media A2, and so I thought I'd make a video and give you some tips about how to answer it, how I answered it for my group, and just basically what goes into the answer. There you go. So the question I'm going to focus on is question number 2, which is how effective is the combination of your main product and auxiliary text. For this question, you kind of need to focus on what links your 3 main projects together, which is the magazine, the trailer and the poster. It's about how they link and make a whole package. The way I started off answering my question was saying, so my favourite part of this exciting media project was the creative task me and my groups were able to do. It was important to link all these tasks together in a way that would be recognised as a whole package, and that's what we were able to successfully accomplish. We're just introducing what we're going to be talking about in the question, which is the 3 products and how they kind of link as a combination, and like how effective they are basically. I then go on to talk about the main task, which was making a film trailer. The main task was to create a film trailer, which was very time consuming, yet worth all the trouble as the final product was what we intended, and the film trailer was executed very creatively and made great use of mise-en-scène and describing what the film had to offer and what it's about. This was quite hard to do because we were basically making a film trailer out of a film which we haven't made, and we were just kind of making all these random videos off and like creating a sequence which made it look like we made a film, and this was a trailer to our film, but it was actually just loads of random clips and stuff that would have been in our film if we were to do a film. We then used this as a base to make our magazine and poster, which had to link to the trailer. The main thing to link all these 3 together was the ident. And the ident was the most important feature of the film and the poster and the trailer, as it kind of promoted and made people recognise the film, our film, and it was placed on on all 3 of the forms of media, and was quite effective in putting the trailer, magazine and poster into like a main product. We created the ident using a font we downloaded from the internet, which we created our main image, and it was quite unique as it suited the film, and we went for colour theme, which was red, black and white. We kind of learnt to adapt the colour themes, as for the magazine and poster it wasn't necessary to go with the same colours. We kind of changed it to make it look different. For example, with the magazine we went for gold, as it kind of suited the colour of other like writing that was on it. With the poster we went for white, as it kind of like suited the theme of like blue, and it just looked really good. Like I then talked about like how with the ident it effectively holds the link between the main product and its auxiliary text, as it was the same one used on 3 forms of media, allowing them to link to one another and let the audience know what is going on and what film is being featured on either the magazine, poster or trailer. The trailer was the main product, which set up how the magazine and poster would look like and took key aspects from the trailer and applied them in an efficient manner. For example, the characters. So with the trailer there was 3 characters mainly shown. We then tried to like put this onto the poster and show these 3 characters. Like the positioning of the characters was the 2 main ones like showing some sort of distance with the hands and stuff, and then the main kind of villain, he was in the middle showing the tension, like he's like the main tension of these 2 characters. It kind of was really effective as it kind of portrayed what was exactly happening inside the trailer. We then chose to go and do something unique, which was use just 1 character for our magazine, and this was the main character, which was seen in most of the part of the trailer. He was shown on the magazine, and in the magazine we were talking about how he is being interviewed and just talked to as just basically an actor and not really in his role. This was quite effective, as the main character being the magazine was just to kind of promote the film, as often fans are interested in new characters and their roles in films, and so that's why we chose to kind of get him interviewed rather than being him in character. It was just something different. Not a lot of magazines do this. We even made our own name of our magazine to make this stand out, make this look unique. We kind of use all three types of media as just like something that would one whole package, because all of them kind of link together. And that's like what you need to think about when you're answering this question. You need to think about how you're going to link all of them together, how you did link them all together after making all three of them, what makes them all similar, what kind of makes them different, like just what was useful. And for my project, I felt like the ident was the main thing, because it was in all three of them, and it kind of set aside, it made it sure that that was like our film title was the main thing, as in it let people know what it was about and stuff. And so when you guys are doing like answering this question, I think you need to make sure that you make links and talk about the ident, talk about the kind of themes, talk about position of characters, and just focus on this. But yeah, I'll put the link onto my trailer, and I'll put the link for my post on magazine. You guys should comment below and tell me what you think about it. Thank you.